Good morning, students of class 12. Welcome to your online classes of English. Today, we will be doing chapter 4, The Rat Trap from your Flamingo book, prose section. Today, we will be doing the chapter? Chapter 4, The Rat Trap by Selma Lagerlof from your Flamingo book, prose section. Okay? Now see, first of all, let me tell you what are the objectives and outcomes of this chapter. Okay, what is the main objective of this chapter? That means we should strive hard for life. That means we should not fall into the ill ways. That means we should not fall into the wrong path. We should always work hard for the right path and we should always move in the right direction. This is the main objective of the lesson. Now, what is the main outcome of the lesson, you could say? The main outcome of the lesson is that means what moral you are learning from this lesson? That means if we have committed the wrong deeds, that means we always get punishment for that. Okay, and we transform ourselves also. So in this way, the character of the lesson also transforms his total character, and in the end of the chapter he gets totally alright. That means he becomes a nice person. That means if you have studied the chapter Bishop's Candlesticks in class 8th or 9th, you must have studied that. This chapter resembles to that only. If you remember, in that chapter also, when the thief comes to steal the bishop candlesticks in the bishop house, how he transforms himself and how the bishop saves him from police. Okay, now same goes with this chapter also. How the character, the peddler, transforms himself at the last. Okay, so this is the main outcome of the lesson, you could say. Now everybody knows what is the rat trap. Rat trap means what? That means a trap for catching rats by Selma Lagerlof. Little bit about the introduction part we'll talk about. The rat trap conveys a universal message. There is a universal message in this chapter. The author believes that the essential goodness in man can be awakened through understanding. What the author says, that means his inner conscious can be awakened through understanding by by teaching him the right ways, what are the right paths of the life. Okay, understanding and love. The set of kindness and hospitality shown by the Iron Master's daughter awakens the basic human goodness in the peddler. That means what the Iron Master daughter does in this chapter, the character's name is Edla Wilmanson. Now, how Edla Wilmanson transforms the heart of the peddler, the story is all about that. The story also highlights that this world is a big rat trap. The story also highlights that this world is a big rat trap. That means we all are running after money. What is the main bait for us? Bait means what? Just like keeping chara for the beast. Okay, that means if we tie a goat for the lion, that means the lion could be caught in that trap. Okay, just like that, the chara. Okay, that is known as bait. Okay, we are talking about that. That means the whole world is just like a rat trap and the whole world is revolving right around that only. That is what? Food, shelter and clothing. That means we are running after money. Why we are studying for the job. why we are serving, why we are doing service, why we are doing business for earning money. The whole thing is that the money is the only bait in this planet Earth. That means the whole world is revolving around that only. That means from that only we are getting food, shelter, and clothing. Okay? Riches and wealth only tempt and trap us in. Okay? That means if we are selfish with ourselves, that means if we are doing the wrong deeds, and if we are caught in the web of money and wealth, we are caught under the rat trap if we are doing the wrong deeds for earning money and all. That means we will be caught in the trap. So never commit the wrong deeds in your life. Now see, we are starting the chapter in detail little bit. Seller of small rat trap. The character of the lesson is the peddler. Peddler means fairy karne wala. That means he is selling the rat traps made of wire. Okay, he is selling the rat traps made of wire, and he is going door to door selling those rat traps. But through rat traps he could not earn his living at all. That means he could not have proper food to eat also. So he was begging also. The character, the peddler who was selling the rat trap, he was begging also. That means भीख मांग के भी वो अपना काम चलाता था. And he used to do petty thefts. Petty thefts means what? That means छोटी मोटी चोरियाँ भी करता था, which is very wrong. One should not do that. If the world discards you, doesn't matter. Always go in the right path, go in the right direction. Only then you can be coming up in life. Okay, only then you will be coming up in life. Okay, if you move in the right direction, never go in the wrong direction if the world discards you also. Okay, so this is the character of the peddler in the first paragraph. Now he thinks of a philosophy. Now in the second paragraph, what the peddler thinks of a philosophy, we'll talk about that. I have told you in the introduction part that the whole world is a rat trap. He thinks like that. But he does the wrong things, and he thinks himself just like a philosopher. Okay, the peddler was struck by an idea. The whole world was nothing but a big rat trap. The peddler was struck by an idea one day that the whole world is nothing. He's thinking like a philosopher. He's doing the wrong things and he's thinking like a philosopher. That whole world is nothing but like a big rat trap. Its only purpose is what? To act for the people riches. That means if we are caught in the web of money, that means we are earning food, shelter and clothing only through that. We are getting riches, we are getting joys, shelter, food and clothing. Were just nothing but tempting baits. What the author thinks through peddler, that means they are just nothing but tempting baits. We are caught in the web of that. Okay, what the author means to say that anyone lets himself tempted by these baits, the rat trap closes in on him. If anyone is closed in that rat trap, that means rat trap closes on him. That means web जो है उनको अपने जाल में फंसा लेता है. The web of money you could say. And then everything comes to an end. Then everything comes to an end. That means why are we in this world for? For earning money only. Why we are studying? For earning money. For getting a good job. Doing a good business. Okay. That means through money only we can get everything. Only for that we are in this world. Okay. The world had never been kind to peddler. The peddler is a poor man, he is a poor person, he is earning the money through selling rat trap, but that was not a profitable business for him. Okay, that's why he does begging also and he does petty theft also. उसके कारण वो भीख भी मांगता है. जब उसकी आमदनी जो है रैट ट्रैप बेचने से नहीं चलती तो ही बेग्स ऑल्सो, और छोटी मोटी चोरियाँ भी करता है जो कि एक गलत काम है. तो वन शुड नॉट डू दैट. ओके, नाउ सी, the world had never been kind to the peddler. It gave him joy to think ill of it. That means this world was never kind to the peddler at all. Everybody discarded him. And because of that, he was thinking like a philosopher that the whole world is a rat trap. Everybody is running after money. Okay? That means money is a bait and everybody is caught in this trap. Okay? Now, he thinks what? It became his cherished pastime. This philosophy of thinking that the whole world is a big rat trap, it became a cherished pastime for him. Okay? Caught in the dangerous snare. That means we are caught in the dangerous snare. That bait is called, that bait is money. There were other who were still circling around the bait. Everybody is circling around this bait only. What the peddler thinks. Okay? So this is the second paragraph. Now in the third paragraph, we'll talk about the generous old crofter. Old crofter means what? Just like a landlord. Zamindar, एक बूढ़ा zamindar. We'll talk about him. Now one dark evening, he was wandering along the road. One dark evening, the peddler was wandering along the road. He was wandering around the road. He knocked at the door of a little grey cottage. He knocked at the door of a little grey cottage. An old man greeted him. An old man greeted him. He opened the door. He was an old crofter, zamindar, a landlord. He welcomed him. He was happy to see someone. That means he was happy to see someone who came to his cottage, who came to his house. Okay, because that old crofter was living alone in his house. He served him supper. He gave him food. He gave him food to eat. The peddler played majolus with him. The peddler, that old crofter played majolus with him. Majolus means what? The game of cards. Okay? Till the bedtime. Okay? Till the bedtime, जब तक वो सोए नहीं, वो मजोलिस का गेम खेल रहे थे. That means the game of cards. That means we have talked about the old crofter over here. Old crofter was who? That means the landlord. He welcomed the peddler. That means he gave a very good hospitality to peddler. He welcomed him in his cottage. He gave him supper. He gave him food. He played with him also till the bedtime. Now see, in the next paragraph, fourth paragraph, we'll talk about what? Peddler steal 3 10 kroner banknotes. That means what does the peddler do now? That means the man who sheltered him in his house, that means in his house he committed theft. That is a very wrong thing. That means जिस थाली में खाया उसी में छेद किया. That means one should not do that. Okay, that means the old crofter, that landlord, gave him shelter, food to eat, and he welcomed him very nicely. But what is the wrong thing the peddler committed? That means the peddler committed stealing deed in his house, the wrong deed of stealing in his house. Okay, now see, the old man went to the window. He took down a leather pouch which hung on a nail. That the old crofter picked the leather pouch which was hung on the nail above the wall, just as you can see on my screen, just like a wall. That means the nail was there, the leather pouch was there. That means he picked out how many? That means 3 10 kroner banknotes. He picked out 3 10 kroner banknotes from that pouch in front of the peddler, and peddler saw all that. Just like if you have watched movie Sholay, that means what Sanjeev Kumar does, he opens the tijori, he opens the locker, and in front of Amitabh Bachchan and Dharmendra he shows everything, somewhat like that. somewhat like that only. What the old crofter does in front of peddler, he was a thief, he saw everything. That means that old crofter put the banknotes in that pouch, in that leather pouch, and hung over the nail, okay, in the wall, okay. And peddler saw all that, and both of them left at the same time early in the morning. But what the peddler did? Peddler returned back and he smashed the window pane and he took out the money from that pouch. That means he took out how much money? 3 10 kroner banknotes. It's a currency. That means 3 10 kroner banknotes he took out from that pouch, and he hung the blank pouch like that only on the wall and went away from there. Now see, what happens in the next paragraph? Now the peddler commits the wrong deed. Because of the wrong deed, now God punishes him. Okay, trapped in the forest. Now what the next thing peddler does? Now he steals the money from the old crofter house. Now he was going on the way. Now his mind strucks now. Now he thinks that he should not go by the public way, the public road. That means he should not go through the public road. If anybody sees him through the public road, that means he would be caught. That means the police will catch him. Okay, anybody sees him or identifies him, he was afraid of. That means to be caught. Okay, that's why he chooses the forest way, the woods way. Okay, and he was lost in the woods. Woods means we are talking about the jungle. Now he was trapped in the dark forest. Okay, he was trapped in the dark forest because he has committed the wrong thing. So God has punished him. So he was lost in the forest and he lost his way. And when he gets tired, he sits on the ground of the forest. That means he does not find a way to go out from the forest. Now see, that means anyhow he hears the sound that comes from the iron mill from the near forest. That means in the near forest there was an iron mill, a steel mill. Okay, he hears the sound of hammer beating. He hears the sound of what? He hears the sound of hammer beating somewhere in the forest. That means that hammer beating noise was coming from where? From the iron mill, from the steel mill. Okay. Now, the iron mill was of Ramjo's. Ramjo is the name. Ramjo's iron mill. The iron mill was of Ramajo's. We are talking about that now. At Ramajo's iron work. We are talking about the Ramajo's iron work now. Ramajo's iron was a big plant. It was a big iron plant, big steel plant. The master smith and his helper sat in the dock forge near the furnace. That means the master smith, just like a blacksmith, okay, Luhar, we are talking about him, and his helper. And his helper sat in the dark forge near the furnace. Just near the furnace, that means भट्टी के सामने दोनों बैठे हुए थे. Iron masters, that means we are talking about the blacksmith. Okay, blacksmith means Lohar and his helper. They were sitting in front of the furnace. भट्टी के सामने वो बैठे हुए थे. Many sounds were heard in the forge. Many sound were heard in the forge. That means ऐसे मिल से बहुत सारे sound आ रहे थे. Okay. On account of all this noise, the blacksmith did not notice the peddler standing close to the furnace. That means he did not notice at all, the blacksmith did not notice at all that the peddler was standing just at back of him. Okay. Usually poor vagabonds came there to warm themselves. अक्सर जो है vagabond means what? आवारा. That means बहुत सारे वेगाबॉन्ड्स, बहुत सारे आवारा लोग अक्सर वहाँ आ जाया करते थे ठंड के दिनों में आग सेकने के लिए, आग तापने के लिए. इट वॉज लाइक दैट. ओके. Usually poor vagabonds came there to warm themselves in the winter. He asked permission to stay and the blacksmith nodded in approval. That means he asked the permission. That means that peddler asked the permission from whom? Permission from the blacksmith to stay over there. And he nodded yes, like that you can stay over here. Yes. Okay, nodded means, that means sir hilana, up and down. That means he nodded yes, you can stay over here. Now see, meeting with the iron master now. Now we are talking about the owner of the iron and steel industry. Okay, the owner comes over there. Okay, the iron master came into the forge on his nightly round inspection. अक्सर मालिक लोग इंस्पेक्शन करने आते हैं वर्कर्स काम कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. तो ही केम इन द नाइटली राउंड टू सी इफ द वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन वेल और नॉट. ओके, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओनर नाउ, द ओनर ऑफ द आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री. ही सॉ द peddler in the dark and mistook him one of his old acquaintances. That means the iron master, the owner of the iron and steel industry, saw the peddler was standing over there. That means धोखे से उसने समझ लिया कि ये उसका कोई पुराना जान पहचान वाला है. Acquaintance means what? He thought that he was the old friend of him. Acquaintance means पुराना जानने पहचानने वाला कोई है, उसी का कोई आदमी है. Okay? The peddler did not know his name. The peddler was not knowing iron master's name at all, nor did he ever met that man. पेडलर ने कभी उस आदमी को कभी नहीं देखा था, लेकिन वो आदमी ऐसा बोल रहा था कि वो पेडलर को जानता है. He mistook him. Okay, he told the iron master that things had gone downhill with the iron master mistook him for an old comrade of his regiment. आयरन मास्टर ने सोचा, पहले वो आर्मी में था, आयरन मास्टर भी जो ओनर था आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री का, ही वॉज द ओनर ऑफ द आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री. ही मिस्टूक द पेडलर. धोखे से उसने ऐसा सोचा कि ये उसी के रेजिमेंट का कोई आदमी है, उसी के कामरेड का कोई आदमी. थॉट इट लाइक दैट. ओके, ही रिग्रेटेड दैट ही शुड नॉट हैव रिजाइंड फ्रॉम द रेजिमेंट. तो उसने रिग्रेट किया कि तुम रेजिमेंट छोड़ के क्यों आ गए पेडलर को, तुमको रिज़ाइन नहीं करना था वहाँ से. ही इन्वाइटेड द पेडलर टू कम होम विथ हिम. उसने पेडलर को इन्वाइट किया टू कम होम विथ हिम, वो उसके साथ घर चले. द वेगाबॉन्ड डिड नॉट वांट टू गो अलॉन्ग विथ हिम. दैट मीन्स द पेडलर वॉज वेरी अफ्रेड टू गो अलॉन्ग विथ हिम, कहीं वो पकड़ा ना जाए. ओके, टू द मैनर हाउस. Manor house means to his bungalow. Manor house means what? To his bungalow. He was afraid to go with him in his bungalow. He did not want to know himself voluntarily into the lion's den. That means he did not want to throw himself voluntarily in the lion's den. That means वो अपना हाथ जो है शेर के बिल में नहीं डालना चाहता था. That means अपना हाथ जो है मगरमच्छ के मुंह में नहीं डालना चाहता था. It's a proverb. Okay, now into the lion's den, the iron master wanted him to give them company at Christmas. What the iron master wanted from the peddler? The iron master wanted from the peddler that he should give him a company during Christmas. The peddler refused to go with him. The peddler refused to go with him. Okay, so peddler refused to go with the iron master. Now till now two characters we have talked about. Okay, the character of peddler and the character of iron master, owner of his company, that was iron and steel industry. Okay, now the third character we are talking about, Edla Wilmanson now. Okay, she is the daughter of the iron master. जो आयरन स्टील कंपनी का जो मालिक था वो उसकी डॉटर थी. शी वॉज द डॉटर ऑफ द आयरन मास्टर एडला विलमैनसन परसुएडेड द पेडलर। तो एडला विलमैनसन ने परसुएड किया, मनाया पेडलर को कि वो उनके साथ घर चले। द आयरन मास्टर्स डॉटर एडला विलमैनसन came to the forge to persuade the peddler. She came to the forge to persuade the peddler. She thought that the man was frightened. She also thought that he was frightened, that's why he was not coming. She looked at him compassionately. That means दया की भावना से उसने पेडलर की तरफ देखा, दयापूर्वक देखा, you could say. Okay. She requested him to stay with them over Christmas Eve. She requested the peddler that he should stay with them till the Christmas Eve. He did not resist and followed the lady. लेकिन पेडलर ने लेडी की बात सुन ली और लेडी की बात सुन के वो उनके घर चला गया। आयरन मास्टर की बात नहीं सुनी, लेकिन उनके डॉटर एडला विलमैनसन की बात पेडलर ने सुन ली and he went along with them. The next day was the Christmas Eve. The next day was the Christmas Eve. The valet had bathed them. जो घर के जो नौकर चाकर थे उन्होंने पेडलर को नहलाया क्योंकि वो काफ़ी गंदा था। Cut his hair, उसके बाल काटे and shaved him, और उसका शेविंग भी किया। The peddler stood there in a good suit that belonged to the iron master. Now the peddler was wearing the suit of iron master. He was just looking like a gentleman now. Now the peddler stood before the iron master in the broad daylight. पेडलर जो है आयरन मास्टर के सामने ब्रॉड डेलाइट में खड़ा हो गया। Now it was impossible to mistake him for an old acquaintance. अब ऐसा लगता नहीं था कि वो, ऐसे ही लगता था आयरन मास्टर को कि कोई पेडलर जो है उनका पुराना जानने पहचानने वाला है। A thundered at him. He thundered at him. The peddler saw at once that he was exposed. जब वो गुस्सा किया आयरन मास्टर पेडलर के ऊपर, तो पेडलर को ऐसा लगा कि कहीं वो एक्सपोज तो नहीं हो गया। But he told the iron master that it was not his fault. लेकिन उसने आयरन मास्टर को बोला पेडलर ने कि वो उसकी गलती नहीं थी। He did not want to deceive anybody. वो किसी को चीट नहीं करना चाहता था, किसी को डिसीव नहीं करना चाहता था। He had never pretended to be anything than a poor peddler. वो सिर्फ एक गरीब आदमी बन के रहना चाहता था और वो कुछ नहीं बनना चाहता था। He had only begged to be allowed in the forge. मतलब उसने परमिशन भी इसलिए मांगी थी कि वो आयरन और स्टील इंडस्ट्री में एक रात रुक सके, क्योंकि वो रास्ता भूल गया था। He was ready to put on his old rags again and go away. वो ये चाहता था कि वो अपने पुराने कपड़े दोबारा पहन ले और वहाँ से चला जाए। First the iron master threatened to call the sheriff. तो आयरन मास्टर ने पुलिस को बुलाने की धमकी दी। ओके, but then asked him to go away at once, and then he said, go away from here. Now Wilmanson made him stay, but iron master's daughter made the peddler stay. The iron master's daughter wanted the peddler to stay with them that day. मतलब पेडलर को वो चाहते थे कि उस दिन तक वो उनके पास रुके रहे। There was not a single place in the whole country where he was welcomed. मतलब किसी ने उसका ऐसा वेलकम अभी तक नहीं किया था जितना हॉस्पिटैलिटी और वेलकम आयरन मास्टर ने और उसकी डॉटर ने दिखाया। ओके, एवरीवन शोड हिम द डोर. सब ने उसको बाहर का रास्ता दिखाया. शी वॉन्टेड टू हैव him stay and enjoy a day of peace with them. But Edla Wilmanson wanted that the peddler should enjoy the eve of Christmas with them. She was against chasing away a man whom they had promised Christmas cheer. मतलब उन्होंने जो प्रॉमिस किया था उनको कि वो क्रिसमस तक वो उनके साथ रहेगा, वो उनको भगाना जो है दुश्वार समझते थे। द मैन विद द रैट ट्रैप्स सेड नॉट अ वर्ड, मतलब पेडलर ने एक भी शब्द उनसे नहीं कहा। इन द इवनिंग द क्रिसमस ट्री वॉज लाइटेड, इन द इवनिंग टाइम द क्रिसमस ट्री वॉज लाइटेड। ही एट द क्रिसमस फिश एंड द पोरिज, ही एट द क्रिसमस फिश एंड द पोरिज, उसने क्रिसमस फिश खाया और पोरिज खाया। पोरिज यू नो दलिया, जस्ट लाइक अ दलिया, ओके, दलिया खाया। दे हर्ड in the next paragraph we'll talk about, they heard sensational news at the church. When they left the peddler in the house, and both of them, the iron master and his daughter Edla Wilmanson, went to the church for Christmas prayer. Okay, and what the news they heard from the church, we'll be talking about that now. They heard a sensational news at the church. Who heard the news? Iron Master and his daughter Edla Wilmanson. The next morning, the Iron Master and his daughter went for the early Christmas service. Next morning, that means Iron Master and his daughter went for early Christmas prayers. Their guest was still asleep. Their guest, peddler, who was selling rat traps, he was still sleeping, and they did not disturb him at all. About 10 o'clock they drove back. About 10 o'clock they came back from the church. The young girl sat dejectedly. Okay, at church she had heard a sensational news. One of the old crofter had been robbed. एक पुराने ज़मींदार, ओल्ड ज़मींदार के घर में जो है चोरी हुई, और वो चोरी किसने की थी? पेडलर ने की थी। ओके, robbed by a man who went around selling rat traps. That means who stole in the old crofter's house? Who did the stealing in this old crofter house? Peddler did. Okay, the person who was selling the rat trap. That news she heard from the church. The iron master asked the valet whether the stranger was still there. आयरन मास्टर ने अपने नौकरों से पूछा कि वो अजनबी क्या बीवी घर में है। ओके, he had heard at the church that the man was a thief. उन्होंने चर्च में उसके बारे में सुना है कि वो आदमी जो है चोर है, एक थीफ है। The valet answered that the peddler had